Okay, so here we're going to be showing is going to be our new unit. It's a HDMI extender, UTP extender with IR. So the part number for this is R01-EXT-HSL-C. So here we have the two units. This is transmitter. As you can see from the HDMI input, HDMI output. On the other end, you have the UTP output as well as the IR output. Now this one goes to the source side. On the receiver side, you have the HDMI output, an EQ adjustment knob, and then you have the UTP input as well as the IR input. This goes to the display side. Now this one has IR and it's only one way. It's from sink to source. So there's only one way for IR. So here I'm going to start connecting everything. I'm going to be using two TVs. One TV is a local port, and the other TV is going to be a remote port. So let me start connecting everything right now. So I'm going to connect the transmitter side first. So I'm going to connect the input, and then the output. Connect the power, and connect the UTP cable, and then connect the IR cable. Now the IR cable connecting here is the IR out, and it looks like this. This is what you put in front of the player. And then on the other end, the receiver side, you connect it to another TV on the HDMI. And then you plug in the UTP cable, and then the IR cable right here. And that's the power. Now, the IR cable on this side is this will look like this. This is the IR in diode. This is what sees. This is what you'll be using for the remote to see. So here, we'll put it here. Then you turn everything on. Turn the player on. Now the TV working right now, right here, is our local port. And let me show you the settings first. Immediately you can already see the extended mode. Extended version, but let me still show you my settings. So our unit supports 1080p up to 125 feet, and that's what I'm using right now, 125 feet CAT6. And you have to turn off. It also supports 60 Hz, and then for deep color, you have to turn it off. So basically, you get 24-bit color. So everything right now working. So let me start playing the content. Now let's start on the local screen first to show you, make sure everything goes right. Okay. So you already see loading come up. Now immediately, if I go look at my resolution, you see 1080p. I'm doing my 1080 60 Hz on this on my local. Now on the similarly on the remote side. You see it too? 1080p, 60 1080p HD. So right now you see both playing. Now, so you already hear audio and video playing, no problems. The next thing I'm going to show you is the IR. So I have my remote controller here. This is the remote control for the player. And you notice if I looking directly at the player, I hit return, it plays. And pause and play, no problems. Now let's say assume underneath this table is a wall, and you notice here my remote control down here, hit pause and play, nothing happens. But now I insert our IR receiver in cable down here, and now I hit pause and play. You'll notice the video pauses and plays down here. So I hit pause, play, it works. Pause, and play, it works. But I move this thing out of here again, pause, and play, nothing. So that's what the IR extender was supposed to be meant for. It's meant for controlling your player on the remote side, or on the other end. And again, we're running 1080p 60 Hz video, 24-bit deep color, over a CAT6 125 feet. This also works with CAT5e, 125 feet.